Hello, let me move a little bit back. What's up, everybody? Good morning. How are you doing? Welcome back to the channel. It's a very good morning here in Kenya, Eldoret City, East Africa. How are you doing? Hope you woke up well. Hope you are sleeping well. Uh, Depending on your time zones, time zones are very different. So at this time you might be preparing for bed. Some just woke up. The rest maybe are preparing to have lunch, which it is very nice, super nice. For me, I just woke up. And in my last video, I had promised you to show you my room here. It's an Airbnb. Show you my room before anything else. So I just woke up and I was watching this TV right here. Remote. In fact, I was watching iammarwa. I don't know what happened. I was watching Marwa. Iammarwa. Here. This is iammarwa in Argentina. I was watching his videos. Hello. It's Marwa. These are his videos from Argentina. That is me. So you see, I don't want to get copyright. Here. Good morning, Marwa. Guys, that is Marwa in Argentina. It's in Argentina right now. And let me just pause it. I don't want copyright. That one can wait. So guys, I just woke up. I've even not washed my face, and before I do anything, I want to make my bed. Yeah, let me place my camera right there. I don't know if it is still recording. Yes, sure. Just set it right here. I don't know. I think it will not fall down. Let me see. Still recording. Yes, let me check if it will record well. Yes, nice. So first of all, I think I wanna charge my laptop. It is off and I want to use it right here. Just place it right here. I'm making my bed. This to look nice. This bed will look very nice. Very nice. Just By the way, I'll be checking out in a few. At around 10 a.m. I'll be checking out. So I'm just getting prepared. Even if it is not perfect, I think it is good. This one. That is it. That is my bed. That means tour of a room tour has started. Room tour started. I don't know where I should start. I don't know where exactly I should start. Let me start from here. I'm starting from here. That is me, guys. From the mirror, it's the mirror you can see. This is the closet. I don't know. It's not a closed one, but I just put my clothes right there. And this is my bed. This is my bed. I was using this bed. Here we have a TV. We have this TV right here. This is a door to washroom. And this is how it curtains. Those are curtains. Generally, the room is not such big. It's not very big, but it's just a nice room. As you can see, we have kitchen right here. It's supposed to be kitchen. Let me open this one. Yeah. You look at the kitchen. This is actually a self-contained room. There's everything. You want to heat water, to boil water, you have this one. Utensils, cooking. Here, you can cook there. You can see inside. Pans, cooking pans, gas. There's this table. There's a chair which is supposed to be here. Put in the other room. This is my bag. This is a table, small table like that. And this is the bed. Now we go to something very, very important. Very, very nice. See, can you see up there? How it looks like? You have this kind of light. This one. You can switch it on from here. Right there. This is it. And this other lights, very, very nice. A TV, big screen, bed. Let's just show you. This is where I switch on these lights. See here. Right. It's not a big room, but very nice one. It's even better than the one I showed you in Mombasa. This is for heating water, shower. Let me actually put it on because I want to shower. In a few. I've shown you the carpet. Carpet looks so nice. We have sandals, these Crocs for toilet. Generally, this room is not big. You can see it's not such big room, but very nice, very elegant. You see, very nice, very good one. I recommend. If at any point you want to visit Eldoret, I recommend this type of Airbnbs. It is not expensive, by the way. It is not expensive, very affordable. at the end of the video, I'll tell you the name of this Airbnb so that you can, when you come to Eldoret, you can just visit them and have a good time. Let me put on light from toilet first before I show you where is it. So guys, we are entering to bathroom. This is shower here. First of all, let me enter in. From this side is bathroom. That side you can take a shower. I even want to shower right now. Right now. This side you can see it's a toilet. You have this thing for placing your brush, toothpaste, of this kind of soap right there. And that is soap washroom. It's not very clean, but anyway, it's like that. This washroom. And what else? What else? I've shown you everything. Let me take a shower, but clean my face right here first. First. Before anything else. Clean the toilet. Maybe I should put it like this that I can show you. Oh, I'm actually doing it. Tissue. So that is all. I wanna take shower right now because by 10 I wanna be checking out by 10 a.m. So guys, that is all about this room. A room tour. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed. Thank you for subscribing and thank you for sharing this video. Share to at least 5 people. If we can all share to 5 people and ask them to request them to subscribe, in a month or less than a month, we'll be at 1,000 subscribers. Let's go to 1K, guys. Let's go to 1K subscribers. I don't know if I can show you outside. Show you outside before I go best. Keys right there. Put on my sandals. This outside look. There is up there. So you can see that is outside. This inside. It's a nice place, by the way. It's a nice place. I recommend 100%. I recommend this place. Anytime you visit Eldoret, ask or search for Sekani Homes. Sekani Homes. You wanna get a very nice Airbnbs. Sekani Homes. It's a few minutes drive from city center. Few minutes, maybe around less than 20 minutes. Actually, less than 20 minutes you are here. So I 100% recommend visit this place, spend some time here. Very, very affordable. 2,000 Kenya shillings per night. 2,000 Kenya shillings per night. Uh, you can convert to dollar. That is, say 2,000 divided by 129. Thank you for watching this video up to this far. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. Let me take shower. Bye bye. Have a good day. Have a good night. Enjoy your morning. Thumbnail. This is for thumbnail.